Let's bring in now CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger. Jill, let's start with the stock market. What companies were hit the hardest?
You saw three biggies, by the way. Excuse me, Intel, Apple, and Caterpillar together, the three of them down 10% in the last 6 trading sessions. Why? When you look at where their money is coming from, Intel sells 25% of its chips in China. Apple and Caterpillar, their revenues 18%, 5% respectively. These are companies coming under pressure.
So those are the companies. Consumers are also taking it in the teeth. Larry Kudlow, the president's economic advisor, admitted to that, but he also said China will feel some pain. So how do both sides get hit here?
Well, with the U.S., it's much easier to quantify. We know that items that are impacted by tariffs, those prices are rising much faster than the inflation rate. Economists believe households will pay $500 to $1,000 on average this year. With China, it's a lot harder. First of all, they don't import as much U.S. stuff as we import from them, so that's different. Also, the statistics we get out of China under the best of circumstances are a little bit murky.
So the president has said if you are one of those consumers who sees your prices going up, you have an option, which is to buy from another country. How viable is that option?
Well, in some cases, it can work, but in others, not so much. I mean, if you look at consumer electronics, we don't make a lot of consumer electronics here. So I think that's a very difficult thing to keep in mind. Also, there are the knock-on effects. Remember, some items not subject to tariffs are also rising right now.
All right, Jill Schlesinger, thanks so much, Jill.